Ito guys ang beach. Ay, lamig ang so cold. So cold. Ang lamig. Yeah. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito kami. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Wala. Aray ko. I need to do can you wear the sunglasses in the water then?
Oh, I thought you were going swimming.
Yeah. Why? Come on. No.
I don't know why all the yellow things are there.
Hotel. Sunbeating na. Oh, they're swimming wala po.